Hi, I'm Sebastian, KB0TTL, and today we'll be showing you how to install the AnyTone 578 CPS software.
To install your CPS software for your new AnyTone 578, first of all, you're going to find your folder to which you've downloaded your CPS software and firmware update files from our website at BridgeComSystems.com. You're going to go ahead and select your CPS folder for the CPS program. And then you're going to go ahead and launch your CPS startup file. And when you do, you'll go ahead and run that as administrator. It's going to ask you a quick question here. Do you want to make changes to your device? In this case, certainly. Select your language, whichever your preference is on this. Proceed through these steps. It's going to ask what folder you want to install to, and if you want to create a desktop icon. In this case, we will go ahead and install. And it'll take just a moment here to install your files. We'll go ahead and launch the program once it completes. We are now in the program. We're going to go ahead and select our COM ports. COM port 17 in this case. Being sure, of course, that your cable is plugged into your computer, and the other side, the small side of your USB cable, is plugged into the side of your radio. We're going to go ahead and read from the radio. It'll take just a moment to update the file here from the radio to the computer, and then we can go ahead and update our code plug.
I hope you liked the video, and if you'd like, you can check us out on Facebook or YouTube. This is Sebastian, KB0TTL, and 73s.